Hey guys, next week, um, started on his bumper, did some work on mine, and I'm going to show you guys where the issues were. All right, so as you can see here, we had all these cracks surface. All right, there was 8 of them total, and after going over it in my head over and over, came to one conclusion. I rushed it. Last year, I rushed doing this bumper, honestly. All right. Had to go back to basics and do it right. Okay. So, as you can see here, that flexing, that's what caused this crack that we had to redo. Flex right there. Up here, all along, as you can see, it's just Lord Fusor together. This is the wrong thing to use. This one is for solid panels. This is not for panels that'll flex. So what I've gone back and done, go back to basics and plastic weld everything. All right, I know it looks gritty to you, but trust me, it's holding. All right, up here, it's all bonded together in that corner. There's no flex. It's all bonded together. Just so this side is gonna, I gotta work on this now. It is now 10:05, and I started about 7:30, somewhere around there. Another 3 hours, I should be done. I don't care what time it is. I am going to finish plastic welding the entire inside of this bumper tonight. So, if not Wednesday, no, not Wednesday, Thursday, I can come back, bondo those areas, and hit this with primer again. Have them check it, make sure we're good to go before it's ready for paint. All the other panels are ready. I'm gonna say 98%. We're gonna recheck them, sand them, run primer again, check them, sand, and shoot paint. So I don't know when, but this was my, that's why I kept messing up. So I'm fixing it, hopefully. That's it, with a little stress factors in it, and we can move ahead with getting this thing painted.